Hello everyone, it's back to my YouTube channel and another review. And this time the review is of my Apricoat down jacket. Now, I actually received this quite some time ago, but because it's a down jacket, I received it in the summer. So let's flip to when I actually got it in the summer. So the long-awaited arrival of my Apricoat down jacket. Oh my gosh, so here it is. And it's gonna be the unboxing, well not really unboxing, the unbagging of my Apricoat down. So I do have a knife here, but it's material underneath, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna try and tear it open with my fingers. I might have to cut it a bit, but let's just rip this sucker open. Yes. Let's see how it goes. There we go. That's the way to do it. Whenever you have something that's made of material, don't use a knife, even scissors. There we go. And I asked them actually to pack my thermal wear as well, and look, they did. That's awesome. So let's see, I've got my thermal wear in here, which is great. And what else have we got? Oh, look at this. Paperwork is falling on the ground, but look, in a nice little bag. I love this. I love this. This is so cool. How many jackets do you get are in a stuff sack? This is so cool. How do I open this? Okay, this is I don't care. I'm not keeping this plastic. Let's just tear it open and then toss it away. There we go. It looks like a little sleeping bag. So let's open this one up. We're gonna do a separate one for these, but let's just open this up and take a look. Is this like the coolest thing ever? What a great idea to actually put this thing. I actually asked them to change this color to red, but they said no. But actually I'm kind of liking this fluorescent green color. Anyway, here we go. Pulling out the jacket. I wonder if I'll ever be able to fit it back in there again. It's pretty snug. There we go. Oh. Little piece of paper that goes off to the side. Is this nice or what? I like this stuff on the inside. Oh, so nice and soft. Okay, this is, oh, look at this cool thing on the side here. I didn't know you got that. What is this thing for? Oh, that must be for like holding on a phone, or no, or just for putting it on your arm for reflective stuff. That is so cool. Anyway, wow, this feels warm. Now, I am doing this unboxing in, what is the date today? August 27th, and it is boiling outside. Am I gonna put this on? Let's turn the air conditioning up first. Anyway, we will come back and I will show you the trying on and all that stuff shortly. Now, obviously I didn't put on the air conditioning and do it in August. I've waited 2 months and it is now the end of October, and it's actually quite cold outside now. I'm actually starting to put on winter jackets, so it actually makes sense to open this. So I'm gonna open this now, the Apricoat down. It looks like a little sleeping bag. I love this. Anyway, and I did learn how to repack it into the thing, so it looks like the way it just came. Anyway, let's open it up and go through all the features of this really, really cool jacket. So let's pull it out. There we go. The jacket. So cool, just like I showed before. Now let's take a look at it a little bit more carefully. First is, like, this hood, I love it because it is very, very light. If you've ever worn one of these sort of hoods and they're full of insulation, you'll find it sort of weights on your head. This one is extremely light, and it's got that reflective material so that you're going to get a lot of heat reflected back. So it will keep you super, super warm. One of the coolest things about this hood, though, things that I hate about other jackets that have removable hoods. So obviously this jacket does have a removable hood. You can see that there's the zipper that allows you to open it. back and forth like that. But the cool thing is you can actually tuck the ends into this little Velcro spot that hides it away like this. So you never know there's the end of the hood itself. What a cool idea. Now that is like so slick. Obviously it has these drawstrings for when you put it on. And again, the drawstrings are hidden behind, the little holes are hidden behind a little tiny pocket. So cool, so thoughtful. Anyway, going on, I think we'll work our way down on the jacket. Apricot down. Anyway, taking a look at this part, this is cool. So this is a reflective tab that you can put around your arm, obviously at nighttime or whenever, and you're walking the dog and cars are coming by. And this jacket is black, so it's not very reflective. But the cool thing with this, again, is when you're not using it, it comes out of a pocket, so you can actually hide this thing away. Let's make it look really neat. I will fold it up. I'll figure out how I'm going to do this in the future, but fold it up nice and neat and slide it into the pocket. Hidden away, would never even know it's there. Is that cool or what? Going down to the next pocket. This is my most used pocket on my regular Apricoat, my fall Apricoat, I guess, or my fall spring Apricoat, is this pocket here. And because you can slide your hand in sideways, and I'm right-handed, so it's really easy access. And again, these zippers are beautiful, and I love the pulls. And again, take a look at the quality of that zip. That zip is super high quality. It's most likely waterproof, I would think, the way it seals up. And let's move on to the actual main zip then. Same design, same thing. I like the way the little hook comes over the end of it so it covers the end. And slide down, open it up. And let's take a look at the inside. We'll go down this side's pockets first. Okay, little tiny key pocket. So if you're gonna put little keys in there, I might put earbuds in there or something like that, my AirPods in there. And then you've got your phone pocket next to it, so you can put that there. And then you've got this large zip pocket with the Velcro separator. So if you sit here and pull the Velcro apart, you have one very, very large pocket. And again, you've got the thermal reflective material here so that you can actually get super warm as a result of this. And it is so light. This whole jacket is so light, which is really nice. Now, you also have, on the other side, another pocket, and this says sunglasses. And on this side, another large pocket with not a separator, so it's just a big pocket. So you could probably put an iPad in there, an iPad mini for sure. And then, let's take a look. Other pockets, the very back. Okay, you have the large ventilation pocket on the back, so that if you get warm, and my back tends to get warm, so this is great. So it vents in the back, which is great. And the last zipper pockets are the ones obviously on the side. So if you look at the side, you have the zipper pockets on the side. And here's the cool thing. If you close this thing up and you're just walking, you can't even tell that there's a slash pocket there because the material sort of folds around it. And then the zip is on the inside like this. And then again, on the inside, you have this nice soft material, okay, which I love. Like when you're putting your hands in the pocket, you don't really want to feel nylon. You kind of want to feel that nice soft material that you have. And it's the same on the opposite side. Pockets there, same soft material on the inside. So if you take a look there, very soft material. And of course, the last thing, and my very favorite thing, well, actually not the last thing because I found another pocket. There is another pocket on the sleeve, which I assume this would be a quick access pocket if people have, like, say, loose credit cards, or if you have your bus pass or something like that and you want quick access to it, you could throw it in there, or even keys or things like that. And you've got the adjustable cuffs on your sleeve. And then you have my absolute favorite thing is the built-in gloves. Okay, so now we have to try it on. So I will have to step back a bit here just so I can get this on. And there we go. Ooh. Is that beautiful or what? Let's just zip it up. Got to stay in frame here. And do I look amazing? This is so warm. Oh my gosh, it's cold outside, but oh my gosh, this will be great in the wintertime. And so like sizing wise, I normally take a medium. Okay, but in order for me to wear a sweater underneath this, and I'm 5'6", about 175 pounds, 40-inch chest, 32-inch waist, give you an idea how big I am. But I ordered a large, so that way if I wore a sweater, I could still zip it up comfortably. So just if you're looking at sizing issues. But this is simply a beautifully designed jacket. This is obviously just the unboxing review, so just the first looks. I'll probably do a follow-up review once I've worn it in the winter time and give you some ideas about how it works and different things like that. There's one thing I'd like to send off to the Apricoat people that I would love to see as a upgrade would be, instead of using Velcro on some of these closures, use magnets. I love magnets. Anyway, but no complaints here. This is an amazing jacket. So that's it for my unboxing. That was in the summer, 2 months ago, and my initial review. Hopefully you enjoyed that. See you next time.